I can see him.
One of my students says, spider, 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 there's a spider. I was trying to find ways to catch it because it's something that the students are interested into and it's engaging to them at the moment. So my idea is get that engaging item. At that point, I was able to get the kids to actually get closer and observe the spider.
Spider, look at that, guys.
Oh, he's so big.
He is big, huh?
I think that's a mommy.
It's a teachable moment. So it's one of those moments where the kids are engaged, they're interested, and that's the best time to teach them something because their focus is all just on that spider right there. So they're willing to learn anything about the spider, especially since it's a live object.
Look at this spider.
It's so big.
Now this is a big spider. How about this one?
Small spider.
It's a small spider. How many legs does it have? Can you guys count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8? What? How many legs does this one have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8.
One of my students, he kept on just staring at it. He was all focused on it. At first, we used a digital microscope to light it up because we couldn't see through the container. So we were making it easier for the students to do that.
What else you could see about it?
In my discovery area, the science area, we have some of those specimens where there are spiders encased in acrylic or other insects encased in acrylic. And since I already have a spider, that one the kids could actually put on their microscope. And that's the one where they could actually see it even more closer.
Let's look at this one.
That's a bigger one.
That is a bigger one. Now, what do you see? A spider, but you know what? What is that? What is that?
The feet.
The feet? That's a leg.
Circle time, I got a picture of the spiders. Getting a picture this big, it's easier for me to identify the legs, the thorax, the abdomen, the fangs.
The spider is camouflage.
Oh, camouflage? Yeah, the spider can camouflage because look, what color is it? Brown. Now, this has 8 legs. It also has something back here called a spinneret. Can you guys say spinneret?
Spinneret.
Guess what comes out of there? ¿Qué sale de ahí, Sebastián?
Web.
A spider web comes out of right here. And then we have the abdomen. That's where the spider web is made. And we have the thorax. This is where the head and the upper body of the spider is.
After the circle time, we did move to the small groups, which we had to document the spiders. My idea was like, okay, draw your spider. Let's see what we have. I want to see what the kids know already by just that little interaction, how much their knowledge has grown. They represent what they see. They count their legs, they count the eyes, they count the head, the thorax, the body.
What shape is that? Look,
Circle.
it looks like a circle, so you could start with a circle. So try it, and then you could add the dots for the eyes. Look at the spider, look at this spider. See how it looks too. Look at the shape. You want a spider? You could get closer. Okay, está bien. Can you tell me about how many legs did you draw? Let's count them. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. And what are these?
9, 10.
Oh, 9, 10. Does that spider have 10 legs? Let's count them. Look, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 legs. You know what? The front ones, the ones up here, they're called fangs. Those are the fangs.
It's important to write it down as a way to record what they're saying. I'm recording what they're saying, what their knowledge is about the topic. Every time a child says something, I write it as they say it. So whether the sentence is broken up, I write it the way they said it. I don't add another word to it. I don't subtract another word. If they speak Spanish, I do write it as well as Spanish. We have another students that are speaking a different language. There's teachers that also speak those language. So we call each other to help each other write it down. We use each other as much as possible to help capture the students' knowledge.